Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Merrier box for May. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Merrier box for May just arrived. Last month was my very first box of theirs, and it was really good with the different palettes. The really cool personalized little like ring dish was so amazing. So I'm so excited to see what is in this box. So, where's my knife? Merrier box, just so you know, it is $29 a month, and they have a $6 shipping charge. And their description is me time delivered. All the all the pampering goodness you need delivered to your door every month. Keep them for yourself, share them with your besties, or give them as a gift to someone special. And if you use my code SheCrafty10, you get 10% off your subscription box. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this month's box. So it's wrapped in tissue and it says thank you on that little cute heart right there. With some more tissue. And there's some stuff inside. So let's go ahead and see what is in this month. So they do have a card that goes over the items, and it says May 2019, anything for mom. Embrace all the things mothers love. So let's see what we got. We have the card. I'll flip it around to talk about the item when I get to the item. So the first thing I'm pulling out, what is this? Let's see here. Is it a scarf? It appears to be, whoa, holy moly. Yes, it is all gray, and then it has this. That is very pretty, but to be completely honest with you, I think May is the wrong month to be sending a scarf. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. That is very beautiful, but I would have liked this maybe like 2 or 3 months ago when it was scarf season. It's almost 100 degrees here in Florida, so there's no way in the world I would even want this to come near me. But it has a pretty design. I give it that. It has a pretty design. That is really pretty right there. But I think it's the wrong time of the month to be putting a scarf in this box. So let's see here. It says sequin rose accent scarf, neck scarf, $7. So it's valued at $7. The next thing we have in here is a fringe shoulder bag valued at $12. That is definitely not my style. Okay, here is a strap for the shoulder side of the bag. So I'm assuming this is a little purse. I don't know, but I guess you hook the straps here and it would be that little purse, but I'm not feeling that, you guys. What do you think? Am I being about it? What do you think? I mean, I'm not, this is not wowing me. A scarf and this little purse. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? Because if so, this can go in a future giveaway if you guys do like it, or I can put it in a donation bin because I'm definitely not going to be using that. So that is valued at $12. Next thing we have in here, we have a sticker and a card. You win best mom. Okay, Mother's Day was last weekend. So if you're going to send a Mother's Day card, like what am I supposed to keep this for a year? Plus that looks like that would be like a child to an adult, not an adult to another adult. I'm not feeling this box. Last month was really good, you guys, but I have been, and I said this on my other video, I've been watching this box from ABBADABBS, and she unboxes it all the time, and some months were like hit or miss, so I was hesitant, but recently they've been looking good, so I gave them a try. I'm not agreeing with sending a card of this manner after Mother's Day. Why? Okay. Blank Mother's Day card to give to a family or friend, even though it's late. $5.50? There's no... I'm sorry. There is no way anybody would pay $5 for this cheesy little Mother's Day card. You better have Hallmark stamped on here with a whole lot of sentimental words for $5. There's no way. I don't care if you put this little tiny cheesy red heart and you want to call this $5.50. No, you accidentally put a 5 in front of that, I think. There's no way. There's no way, you guys. Come on, really? And then you put a Mother's Day card in when it's Mother's Day's over. Like, why? Why? Okay, I'm not filling this box, you guys. Okay, so next we have 2 little cherry cashew pecan and blueberry Greek yogurt little treats, I guess. That is not on there, so this is just a little added bonus for the month. Okay, next we have liquid gold lip gloss in the shade Sugar. So here's the packaging. I'm totally thrown off by this already. I'm like totally thrown off by this. And I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but I want you guys to spend your hard-earned money on good boxes. Last month, I thought this was a good box. This month, not so much. So hopefully next month they get better. But here is this, and I'm not a Goldie person if you follow me. So this is definitely going to go in a future giveaway. So one of you guys can enjoy it. But if you want to look at the applicator, that's what the applicator looks like. It smells really good, but I don't want to get it too close to me because I'm going to give this to one of you guys. But that is the packaging. And again, it looks like a glittery, glimpsy, goldish colors. It looks like, and it smelled amazing. I could smell it almost instantly when I opened it. So that will go in a future giveaway. Next we have, oh, and I'm sorry, that was Diamond Gold Lip. Where is that? Amber Shoal Liquid Gold Gloss, $9. So that's valued at $9. Now we have, is this a pen? Yes. Here is just a writing pen. It's all gold with a fake little diamond on top. This says Diamond Charm Ballpoint Pen, valued at $6. Okay, I guess we could all use a pen. It's really cute. It's kind of cute. And the last item in here, this is the personalized item. Okay, they chose a very, I'm not trying to pick at this box, but they chose a very funky font. Like, that's supposed to say SheCrafty. I can see that it says SheCrafty, but that is a funky font that they used this time. With, I don't know, I'm not... So what is it? Ew, and it's dirty. Oh my goodness. Okay. It is a basic journal. So it's a basic journal. I don't know. This looks like SheCrafty. It looks funky with that writing, but I will use this, I guess, because I'm always constantly looking for new and exciting boxes to bring to you guys. This one, however, this month fell a little short, but I do want to keep a journal so I can log down different ones to keep an eye on and kind of see what I'm feeling about it. It looks like it does have like a page marker. So I'm going to use this since it has my channel name and it's a journal. I'm going to use this. I guess I can keep this thing with it. Use this to kind of journal different subscription boxes and different ideas to do for my channel. So this I will use. This journal was valued, personalized lifestyle journal, $14. No, this is definitely not a $14 journal. If they want to go ahead and add their time and adding the personalized part to it, maybe that's what they're adding to it, but this is definitely not a $14 journal. I've bought journals before and I've had way better quality than this one for $14. But This is all my own opinion, you guys. I'm never going to give you anything other than my real honest opinion. I'm not going to be like, oh my God, this is an amazing journal. Oh my God, this is an amazing purse. Go get this box. No, if I'm not happy about it, I know you're not going to be happy about it. And I'm not going to say, this is amazing. You get your hands on it and you're like, what the hell is she talking about? So I'm only going to tell you my real opinion. Some people can handle it, some people can't. But I am myself and I'm only going to do that. So this month, I'm sorry, this was a flop. I bought a 6-month subscription. So let's really, really hope that next month it gets better. Because last month, I really loved this box. I was so glad that I finally bit the bullet and I bought a 6-month subscription. And this month, I'm sorry. I kind of wish I didn't. This is the only thing that I'm going to be using, and this is valued at $6 and they say this is $14, so this is $20. This is not even the cost of the box being $29 and $6 for shipping in addition. These snacks don't look too appealing. This thing I'm going to put in a future giveaway for one of you guys. This card is just a slap in the face. Why are you going to send a card that is a very, very cheesy card that I can make myself even better after Mother's Day? Then you have this purse, which I'm not excited about. So if you guys think this is really cool, let me know. I'll put it in a future giveaway. If not, I will put it in my donation pile. Because at the end of the year, when it gets closer to Christmas, I'm going to do a huge donation to the women's shelter like I did last year. So just let me know. If you guys don't say this, you guys would like this, then this will go into my donation pile. And this scarf, again, it's very pretty with this sequence. It's very pretty, but this is not the right time of year for a scarf. It is hotter than hell outside, and you give me a scarf? That is all that I have for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate that, so then you will not miss a future video that I have on my channel. And please, you guys, let me know down below what you think. Am I spot on how I feel? Because again, this is my real honest opinion, and I'm not happy about this box at all. Me saying I'll use the journal is because I have it. Other than that, I would not use anything out of this box. And that is sad, especially at $35. $35 after shipping. There's no way. There's no way. And then you want to slap me in the face with a blank Mother's Day card to give to a family or friend. What, a week late? Oh, I'm sorry, but here's a cheesy ass Mother's Day card that I'm going to give to you a week later. I'm sorry, you guys. This month, they dropped the ball to me. I can't even sugarcoat this. I cannot make this seem like it is anything other than the way that I'm feeling right now. So sorry to be that Debbie Downer, but I'm going to stay positive. I know they can do good. I've seen it. But again, that's the thing with subscription boxes. Sometimes you got good months, sometimes you got bad months, but you kind of weigh your pros and cons. Last month, they hit it out of the park for me. This month, they weren't even in the same team. I don't know what in the world's going on. So let's go ahead and see what they do next month. Let's hope next month is a lot better, and I hope. So stay tuned to next month to see if they got better or if they got worse. I hope they don't get any worse. I don't think they can get any worse than this. But so thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Again, down below, let me know, and I will see you on the next one. And until then, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.